Hello and welcome to today's Module 2, Online Communication and Collaboration in the Media Literacy in the Digitalized Era project, short MELT. Today's topic is Technology-Enabled Citizenship. This is topic number 5. If you want to visit the other topics, just click on our YouTube channel. Today's topic will focus on how to use digital technologies to engage and empower citizens, and will equip teachers with the knowledge, skills and tools to teach their students about engaging in citizenship through digital technology. Today's topic will also cover different subtopics, beginning with a range of ways in which technology can enable citizenship, going on with what digital citizenship can actually mean, and we will end with how to engage in citizenship using digital technology. First and foremost, we need to define what citizenship actually means. So, citizenship is the status of being a citizen of a particular country. And as you know, citizens have rights and duties which can of course differ from country to country. However, Western democratic states usually share several common rights and duties, for example, the right to vote or the right to engage on the one hand. And on the other hand, you have duties such as paying taxes or the duty to serve on a jury. In short, digital technologies are first and foremost a great opportunity of having a low threshold access to information and, very important in turn, making use of this information. Information is key to understand one's local and global environment, connection and processes. The following slides discuss different ways of how to use digital technologies to educate students to be active citizens. So let's start with the first topic that teachers can use in order to engage their students in discussions on technology-enabled citizenship. The support of critical thinking can be one of these topics. Free and fair elections are a central element of a functioning society and democracy. So digital technology can be an opportunity, for example, for fact-checking, and it can also be means in order to identify lies. The strengthening of the impact of civic engagement can be another very worthwhile topic. For example, the support of direct and instant communication, which is enabled by digital technology. Or you can use digital technology in order to mobilize people, for example, via crowdfunding, or even in order to fund political campaigns, as you can see in the United States of America. Digital access to public tools can be another very important topic. For example, digital technology can be used in order to use your rights or to carry out your duties. And last but not least, digital citizenship itself. So how do we interact in a digital environment without traditional national borders? Why do citizens need digital skills? And which challenges does the digital environment present? The next topic is how to have a clear understanding of what digital citizenship means. So, digital citizenship is the ability to participate in society online. This means that citizens have access to digital technology, interact with other citizens and services online, and can do so. Therefore, a digital citizen is a person who possesses the required skill set and knowledge to use digital technology, usually connected to the internet, in order to take part in civic and social activities according to digital social norms. Teaching students about digital citizenship will equip them with the necessary skill set that will enable them to think critically and behave respectfully and safely in a digital environment. The next topic is to understand how to engage citizenship using digital technology. We prepared the following 8 themes that should cover the basic aspects of a positive and responsible digital citizenship. It's using information, the promoting of open-mindedness, civic engagement, digital etiquette, legal knowledge, digital security and digital education, and last but not least, respecting health. Don't forget, active participation means to take part in discussions, to promote a peaceful discourse, and to encourage other citizens to weigh in and debate their opinion. There are a lot of technologies that can be used for active participants. Blogs, either self-hosted or provided within a larger frame or network, social media channels like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, platforms for sharing audiovisual content like YouTube, Twitch, SoundCloud, comment sections on websites, for example news or magazine sites, and online forums. The technologies that can be used for active participants share common features. Most of them can be used for free, however they might collect and sell user data in return. Most of them have massive user bases. And most of them offer more information and content than any person can consume in a lifetime, so it might be difficult to make your opinion heard. Today's last topic is to learn how to use digital technology to empower students and encourage them to become active citizens by using digital technology in a meaningful way. Teachers have access to a vast number of digital tools in order to engage their students to become active citizens. For example, Vote Compass, simulated election, Ask Your Politician, watch sites such as theyworkforyou.com or Abgeordnetenwatch.de, live streams from parliaments or digital initiatives. To conclude, digital citizenship is the ability to participate in society online. That means we are all digital citizens. We apply the rules we have learned from the local to the digital environment, or we grew up with technology which is surrounding us. At school, digital citizenship should be perceived as a learning objective. Students should understand the underlying social and cultural issues of technology and learn to use it in a responsible and legal way. Providing students with appropriate skills, thanks to which they can efficiently and effectively participate in digital worlds, play a significant role in becoming a responsible digital citizen. In case you have any questions, feel free to visit us at meldeproject.eu. Thank you for taking part in today's web lecture. If you want to find out more about the used references or the glossary of today's topic, feel free to download the presentation. Thank you very much and goodbye.